evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. And moving on to our next project, which is another super exciting one, and our mixed use, and that always has a lot of discussion around it. And Agata, if you'll read off our actually super short list.
Three nominees: Big Fashion Park, Belgrade First Phase, Big CEE, Serbia. Cartier Coresi, Citrus, Romania. Julius Town, Julius Group, and Atterbury, Europe, Romania.
Excellent. And taking a look at those three, they are great projects and great mixed-use project, and we're very excited to see who the winner is this year. And it's
Cartier Coresi, Citrus, Romania.
Romania. Citrus.
Wow.
Oh,
Citrus. Luca is back.
Welcome
Hello.
back.
Hello. So, as I mentioned earlier, it's our mission to build the cities and the neighborhoods of tomorrow. And we're very proud of our project in Brasov, Cartier Coresi, where we had the opportunity to work on this 10-year-long visionary project and to transform 10 hectares of the city, which was actually unused, and now we brought it back to life with retail, with offices, with co-working spaces, and with over 1,500 families. Thank you so much, and I think that this award, it's actually the award of my colleagues which are managing Cartier Coresi, and I think this goes to them, and especially to Bogdan, Flavia, their teams, all the people working there. And of course, I would also like to mention the two very important partners we have in Cartier Coresi, which is Casper Development, which is supporting our residential development, and all the other partners which are supporting our offices together with Ascenta Development. So thank you so much on behalf of our team and our partners.
Well, congratulations again, and of course, welcome back, and enjoy the rest of the evening.